Okay, this is Kim from Reality Travel. I am at the Rosersberg Castle, if I'm not mistaken, but I kind of want to give you a look at the area surrounding this castle before we go inside. Here in Sweden. Okay, so I'm going to back this up a little bit. Bring it back a little bit. Okay. Then we're going to go inside. Oh, so nice and quiet. Oh, wow. So nice. So now I want to get a picture. I want to get some pictures too. Then I'll resume the video. Well, let's walk inside. Let's go inside. Get some close-ups of all the buildings here. The weather's really nice. It's a bit cold, but okay. Slotted. I can't read their writing. Of course, I can't read their language. Okay, so here's more of this. They call it a castle. There's probably a lot more to see on the inside. Hi. That looks like a dog with his tail turned in. Let's go in the front of it. Let's see exactly what it is. I don't think that's a dog. Let's get a steady hand. Let's see. Okay, Rosersberg Slott, Rosersberg's Palace. Here's a little history of it. I think you can make that out. This is the English version. Okay, let's go inside.